Do you want to see my portfolio every month? Now, the last Saturday of every month, I'm going to do this portfolio update so I can just track my own progress, and also you can see what I do each month. May was a great month. I have a market gain of $330 from the 1st of May to the last week of May. Today's the 27th. And the majority of this gain is from Snap. Now let's talk about Snap. So Snap Inc. was a controversial topic, especially during this month. I saw a lot of comments talking about how this isn't Snap's bottom and how they're going to go even more down. I also heard a lot of negative comments about them. And this was good for me because it showed me that I was very confident in Snapchat. Now, I did buy 100 shares, and I also sold 2 puts for $300 when they dipped to their low of $18. And this was right after their first earnings was reported. So after that dip, I went in, and so far this month, Snapchat has earned me around $250 for my equity position, and the puts have yet to make me profit because they expire in a while in 7 months. Now, I have a single call option on Snapchat for a $30 strike, and this is cutting some of my profit. Now, the call option also expires in January, which is very far ahead, and I bought the call option because if Snap goes to even $25, that call option is going to be worth more than I paid for it, and therefore I'll make a profit on it. So that was Snapchat. It's the majority of my gain this month, but also Netflix has done very well for me. And then Netflix was my first real trade in a while. I didn't trade during January or February because I was moving. I bought 15 shares of Netflix right before their earnings came out, and after their earnings, they dropped a lot, but then they had some good news around that they have a partner with the Chinese streaming platform, and this jumped their shares to really high prices, and I sold the majority of my position at $156.50. Now, I sold the 10 shares because I was losing sleep over it. I thought it would go down back to where I bought it at. So I sold that, but I still kept 5 shares, and for this month, Netflix has earned me $94 in equity. Now, my last and most recent position was the Akamai put. I sold an Akamai put because Akamai is trading near their low, and they're also the leader in their industry. I picked them in my 3 stocks I'm buying in June video, and this is why I put them in the video, because I was going to open a position in them. So I did not buy equity in them, and this is because they do have the potential to drop lower. So instead, I sold a $40 put at a fairly nice premium of $1.90. So therefore, I'm going to earn $190 when the option expires. This put has only gained me $5 this month, but the contract expires in January. So after time passes, the premium will depreciate, and this is when I start to see profit on the put. I will also see more profit if Akamai rises in price, as this will degrade the premium price even more. So basically, someone pays me $190 now for an option that is worth $0 in the future, and this is what I profit off of. So total net gain this month was $334. Snapchat was around 75% of that gain because the shares went back up to around $21. The overall market performed very well this month too, and this is what I attribute most of the gains to. But let's also keep in mind that Snapchat has yet to see some really good news, and I think when they do see some good news, they will jump. So that was the video. Make sure you hit the like button if you liked it. Also comment below with any suggestion you have to make these videos higher quality.